It's my birthday, we're celebrating, and Jay has all these gifts for me. See all of that more in this video. Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine with Jay, who's regifting a gift that was given by...
What is it?
Some government organisation.
No, Shaun, it's very nice. I gave this to Shaun. I didn't just find it in the corner of the office.
So you're telling me that the underwater scooter that's sitting outside the office...
Is there an underwater scooter?
...is not a gift
Wait
for
there,
me.
I'll go and find it.
Honestly,
Keep talking.
I thought that whole truck was gifts for me.
Oh, baby, look at this.
Oh no.
One eternity later.
Here is your underwater scooter.
That's a kickboard.
That's a kickboard.
There's an actual underwater scooter with like engine and everything.
Not that then. Hold on, Shaun, I'm coming back.
He's not going to be able to lift it, I promise you. Anyway, just so you know, every single year we do a beach clean as part of my birthday. We're doing the same again this year. It's totally 100% free. No money needed. 5 Star Marine will cover the cost.
Jesus H, mother of God!
Is that a jet ski or an underwater scooter?
Apparently, Shaun. Here's your present. Happy birthday. It's heavy, isn't it?
Do you have any idea how to use that?
Well, no, there's 4 buttons. There's red, blue...
You know what would go good with this?
What?
The snorkel. You can use the snorkel to go under deeper.
The snort with an L?
Yeah.
So I could use the snort with an L and this?
And go deeper.
Anyway, is this for your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, mate.
What goes in there? How does it work? Any idea?
I'll work it out. Can I move it? 'Cause it's crushing me a little bit.
Anyway, as I was saying, we do a beach clean every single year.
My God, it's heavy! Flipping it!
Yeah, it's meant to be inside, so store it inside, not on the table.
Oh, where am I supposed to put it?
Jay knows the dates, he knows the time,
Hold on,
but as I said,
Shaun.
it's free, we'll cover the fuel, we'll have your lunch for you to go and pick up rubbish, we'll have all the rubbish bags, we'll have a boat to bring the rubbish back, we're going to go out to Racha Island or Racha Noi and do the clean.
Okay, where were we? What's happening?
When is it?
What, your birthday?
No, the actual beach clean.
Okay, Shaun's birthday beach clean bash is on October the 12th, which is a Saturday.
Can you read, my son?
Okay, and where are they going to meet?
They're going to meet here, not here, because that's mischief. They're going to not.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
They're going to check in downstairs.
Oh, you did the whole thing. I didn't. Can I get my breath back?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Anyway, there is
No, I know the answers. Just let me get my breath. 2 seconds. Okay, right. Hello everyone. On the 12th of October, we're having a Shaun's birthday beach clean bash. We're going to head down to one of the Racha Islands, hopefully, and pick up a load of rubbish, and then bring it back and give it to Phuket Boat Lagoon, who will then dispose of it sustainably.
We have gloves.
Oh yes, baby. We've got gloves and we've got bags. We will provide water and soft drinks. We will be meeting on the pier at our office at 10 a.m. You do need to sign up. We're going to put a sign up form on all our social medias.
And there's a sign up link in the description
Is there?
of this video.
I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, I've done already.
You've done the description.
Done the link.
No, I know we've done the link. I had it yesterday about 18 times. That's very kind of you. Anyway, you do have to sign up. Now, we will provide gloves, bags, soft drinks and water. You do need to bring your own food, so snacks and lunch. We are not providing snacks and lunch. You do have to book. It is essential, isn't it?
Firstly, because we need to know how many people, we need to know how many supplies, and then we need to know how many boats. More than that, in the event that there is poor weather, watch our social media, watch our shorts, watch our Instagram, watch our Facebook. We'll let you know if there's bad weather coming up and we need to move the date.
Yeah, because we did have to change locations last time because of the weather. So we were going to go down to Racha because the weather was quite bad. We ended up going to Racha Island instead.
It's quite beautiful and fun though. A lot of people had a lot of fun.
Yeah, no, we had good. A lovely Yamaha were there with us as well.
And you should be very, very, make sure that you wear clothes that you don't mind getting a little bit dirty or wet.
Do you know what? Don't wear this. Someone, come here. Come on, model please. I want you to walk in it. I'm not embarrassing you. I'm just saying this is not appropriate clothing. It's beautiful, but it's not appropriate for beach cleaning, is it?
It's good.
Is it good? All right, thanks for your time. There you go.
So that's it. We do it every single year, and we would like to beat last year. Last year we filled a 3-engine boat to the brim with rubbish, and I would like to beat it this year because, you know, these are our waterways, these are our islands, these are the locations that we want to go visit. Let's get together an expat community, inviting all schools, all associations, all foundations. Get a representative here, get them out there, get their cleaning, and let's make this island a beautiful place for this coming high season.
Yes. Happy birthday, Sean.
And just so you know, my birthday is before the 12th.
Do you want presents?
I turned 37.
He's 37 this year. Happy birthday, Sean. Right. Like, subscribe, comment below, and if you've got any questions about the beach cleanup on the 12th of October, Saturday.
son! You had one job.
12th of October, kicking off at 10 o'clock, and comment below.
More details will also be on our Facebook page and Instagram. Lovely Fang is going to post it.
Fang-a-lang-a-ding-dong. She got chocolate today. She was lucky.
And let's do no competition on the island. If you own a boat company, a tour company, a jet ski company, send your staff. Let them come and help us. This is an open, free-for-all. Everyone on the island should join.
That's right.
Not everyone. We don't have enough for
Who
everyone.
Who don't you want to come? There's some people I don't
400,000 people on this island. That's
No,
why
but
we're going to need some canoes.
There's some I don't like.
Yeah, okay.
They can't come.
Mischief can come.
She's asleep.
Yeah.
Should we finish now?
That's it, guys.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. I'm Jay. This is our thermos cup. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. You might not have just seen it because Sean just ruined my shot by walking straight into it without even stopping. But that's okay. We're just practicing. Thanks for watching.